Alright guys, you see that? It's 22 degrees out there. It was about 43 when I left the house. So it's a little bit colder up here. I don't know if I'm real prepared for it, but whatever, we'll go get some shots and make it work. Okay, we got some fresh poop here. Anybody want to identify that? It's soft. It's 22 degrees out here, so it's got to be fresh. Coyote, I imagine. Chupacabra, maybe? You know, I probably really could have gone without seeing that poop. I'm all kinds of nervous and anxious of what might be out here. Hopefully no Chupacabra. Walking in sand is not easy to do. But get your blood going, and I kind of need that right now because it's very cold. Alright guys, hey, I'm going to show you how I work how I set up my Milky Way shots here. So I've got my camera on a tripod, that's the first thing. Make sure you have a custom button map. So I have my C1 on my Sony a7R III mapped to be a digital zoom, or focus assist, I believe what it's called. So if I hit that a couple of times, I can zoom into the stars, and then I just manually adjust my focus until the stars are in focus. So another quick tip here is to make sure that if your camera has a steady shot, or if your lens has a IBIS or a stabilization, make sure you come and turn that off here in your settings. Alright, so my typical settings is, let's start out with 20 seconds, f2.8, ISO, and drop it down to 3200. So that's my go-to settings for most scenes, and then I'll adjust it as I need to. Usually I will drop it down at 20 seconds or 15 seconds though, for just to make sure my stars don't start trailing. With a high resolution sensor, you have to do a faster shutter speed so that you don't get trailing across those pixels. If you've got something lower, like 24 megapixels or something like that, you can do 20-25 seconds with no problem. And here's one of my favorite photos from the night. This is a 6-photo pano. I did 15 seconds, f2.8, ISO 3200, and stitched it together in Lightroom. And for this photo, I did a 3 photo focus stack. So I focused on the foreground, the middle ground there, and then for the stars, and blended those together in Photoshop. And then of course I can't go out without taking a selfie under the Milky Way. You can see the light on the horizon starting to come up a little bit. Alright guys, this place is amazing. I'm like running around like crazy trying to find different angles and shots and compositions. It's just, the sky is pretty incredible right now as well. So, this is pretty dope. Let's just look at these swirls for a minute here. Look at it! Look at it! That's about my view. I'm no expert, but those look like, whoops, those look like cat tracks to me. Crank up my ASL. Made it back to the car. I survived. Alright guys, good. It's a good shoot. So we got some Milky Way shots, got some blue hour shots, got some sunrise shots. Sunrise isn't all that spectacular. I'm not a huge fan of the actual sun itself. As you can see, it puts harsh shadows across everything. Sometimes it looks good, but I think in this area, I like the nice, soft light of pre-dawn. So, I think those are going to be my favorite shots of this and the Milky Way shots. So I think those turned out pretty cool with the core coming above the horizon. So, I hope my little Milky Way tips help you out. If they don't, watch them again. If not, still don't get it, shoot me a message and I will be glad to help you out. You can message me on Instagram or Facebook, or comment in the comments below, and I'll see if I can help you out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if it helped you out. Comment, share, do whatever if you want to. I just make these videos because it's fun, and I want to share some of the knowledge that I've gained over the last 8 years of being a photographer. So, till next time guys, thanks for watching. Bye.